Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple tutorial on how you can easily create a screen pump effect in Premiere Pro. This is exactly the same way I've been creating screen pump effect right in Premiere Pro. I'm going to show you this in two methods, so let's dive right in. Hello everyone and welcome to Visify. Here on this channel you find free tips, tricks and tutorials to boost your videos on YouTube. Also on this channel we do a lot of video editing tutorials, so if you're new here you might want to smash the subscribe button right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. So now let's dive into today's topic, and I'm going to show you two ways actually to create a screen pump effect. So the first way is that we're going to create a targeted screen pump effect, and the next one is that we're going to create the whole screen pump effect. So these are the examples of how to create a targeted screen pump effect and the whole screen pump effect.
So first of all, you want to simply import the clip right into Premiere Pro, which I've done right here. As you can see, I'm just going to use the clip of this car. And next thing you want to simply do is that you want to add the music of your clip. By adding this music, you are going to have some patterns in which you want to add the screen pump effect to, and you mark those patterns where you want your screen pump effect to be. So as you can see right on the screen right here, I've added some markers right on the screen, and those markers are where I want my screen pump effect to actually be. So next, after you've done this, you want to simply head to the effects right here, head to effects and drag the transform effect and place that on your clip. So once you have done this, head back to the effect control, and right here you're going to see some controls right here under the transform effect. You want to simply click on the stopwatch to create an animation. So click on the stopwatch, it's going to create an animation for the position, and click on the stopwatch for the scale also, and it's going to create an animation for the scale. And basically you want to move 3 frames forward, which is 1, 2, 3. Then you want to change the scale value to 110. Then after that you want to simply move 3 frames forward again, which is 1, 2 and 3. And once you have done this, you want to bring that back to 100. Then if you zoom into this clip, you actually see that we created 3 keyframes. So we created 3 keyframes for the scale, and that's the screen pump effect. So you want to simply play that right now, and you can see that's how the screen pump effect looks like. So one more thing you need to do is that you want to head down and deselect, use composition shoulder angle, and set your own to around 180. And think 180 is the best, so you set your own to around 180. Click on enter, and then you have the screen pump effect. So if I maximize this panel this way, you're going to see some markers right here in the effects control. So I want to simply do what? I want to simply highlight all this and bring them close to the markers created. Then that's it. So you want to simply continue doing this. You want to like how to drag them and paste them on your new markers right here you have. So you just want to simply continue dragging them this way. So if you have that, you drag, you highlight all this, drag them and place them on the new keyframes. That's how easy it looks. That's how easy the screen pump effect is right in Premiere Pro. So now once I play this clip back, you're going to see.
So now onto the step 2. I know many of you guys might have seen the whole screen pump effect in some movies and some dance movies like that. So now let's dive into the second step on how to create a targeted screen pump effect.
So in order to create the targeted screen pump effect from the former effects, you simply want to head to your effect control where you still have your transform effects from the previous one. Then next thing you want to simply do is that you want to click on the free drawbars here, right here. So click on that, and then you want to select the area where you want your screen pump effect to take place. So this is going to happen only on the places you choose. So you want to simply draw tiny mask around all these, and then you want to simply close the mask at the end right here. So once you close this mask, it's going to create a simple mask just like this one, as you can see on the screen. So you want to simply do something like this. Then next, when you actually play your clip, the effect doesn't happen on the entire screen, it only happens on the place you actually choose. So you can choose anything from a video. So now once I play this, you get an effect just like this.
So that was it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below. and subscribe to the Visify YouTube channel for more video tutorials just like this one. And also, I want to know down in the comments if you actually enjoyed this method. Which method of this video did you enjoy? Did you enjoy the targeted screen pump effect or the whole screen pump effect? So let me know by leaving a comment below right now.